Siceliwe ngumama minister uba size uzonipha wheelchair tennis. Sithe masizonengezela. That's for tennis. Nazi nebhola. Thatha ibhola apha kuminister. Izenu masenhle. Nendale kakuhle.
Okay. As the Department of Planning, Monitoring and Evaluation, one of the things we have done today was to visit Vuguhambe Special School as part of the Back to School campaign, just to look at the level of readiness for the school.
As part of our social investment programs, corporate social investment programs as East London IDZ, we like to focus on education. We have donated mattresses and the bedding material. We've donated sporting equipment, but we have committed that we are going to be working with the principal.
Humbled and very happy. We've got some goodies today from the Deputy Minister, and a lot of organizations have committed to help the school going forward. So that is a plus to us. And in terms of monitoring, the department has also committed to monitor the school on quarterly basis, which means from now it's going to be 3 times. So
to the management and to the corporate social responsibility and see what we can do. I have been looking around and I have eyed a few things, but from what the Deputy Minister has said in the classroom with the kids, I've noted that she mentioned that there is a need for school pets. So I think this, that's a low-hanging fruit for now. Probably before the end of the week, there is a delivery of pets that we will deliver to the school. But then with other things as we go.